Alright, so today gonna be installing Woodcraft slider spools. They are for the Yamaha FZ-09. They're 6mm. It's probably gonna be the hardest install I ever do. For the 6mm, you're gonna need either a 5mm hex or a 3/16. And you go down here, line it up with the little hole, and start threading it in. You can use Loctite if you want, if you don't trust them to stay in there. I'm not going to, but just gonna tighten them. And that's one install. Like I said, hardest install you'll ever do on this. Gotta move the bike. Had to take it off the rear stand, so I had some room. And they're installed. Now I just gotta make sure my rear stand lines up with them. Which they don't. So I'm gonna loosen these up and then move them to where they line up, and then I'm gonna tighten them down because try it right there. And try again. And it's on there. Now it lifts the tire up better. Well, higher. I think they look cool. And if I lay the bike down, it gives me a little extra protection. With them being sliders, it's hitting that though. I'm trying to think if I can make it raise up or something along that line. Or if I spun them forward, it would still hold the bike up. That's not gonna work. I guess I'm just gonna have to have it hit the bolt heads. that's a full install on sliding spools from Woodcraft. I like the way they look. The idea of them is great. If I ever wreck the bike, I'll let you know how they work on sliding. But other than that, next install is a mirror. The handlebar adapter should be here. I think Saturday or Monday, which Saturday is tomorrow and Monday is obviously not tomorrow. But I'll see you in the next video, and that will be me installing, well, trying to install the bar and mirror on the clutch side and getting rid of the mirrors, factory mirrors, that are outrageously huge and ugly. So I'll see you in the next one.